model, 2016 Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.2 HDI long wheelbase starts drives fine has gearbox issue. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 153577. MOT, 16 July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 hp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Second gear does not exist. You can still select all of the other gears and get to where you need to go. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on